So this is in honor of my son, Zachary Z. Mata. I called him affectionately Zacharooni Gaboozoohead. And thanks to PlantStrongFoods.com, Rip and his family, I'm able to enjoy me and my son's favorite food, even though it's now my whole food, plant-based, no oil, plantricious lifestyle. I get to eat a pizza in honor of my son because Rip and his family have made plantricious certified foods, and that's my new food culture. And I know my son's looking down on me very proud. And this has sun-dried tomatoes and red bell peppers and Kalamata olives and textured vegetable protein, Italian sausage bites, hearts of palm, Kalamata olives, artichoke bottoms, and baby corn and water chestnuts, and onion and garlic, and my famous cashew mozzarella cheese that's herbed, and I love it, and now I'm going to eat it. I just don't know what I'm going to call it yet. Any ideas, guys?